My next project will be this blazer. It's in a men's pattern, but I'm going to cut out a pattern equal to a men's size in women's. It will be the flare kind of 70s suit made out of this polyester. I might not use the lapel in color. Might just make it feminine, but I'll decide when I'm going along. It will match these flare wide legs pants that I made yesterday. I have to add the button and eye, or may do a hook closure. And the pattern consists of 17 pieces. Yes, 17 pieces. So I cut out most of the pieces right here, but I still have this sheet to go. Yeah, a suit consists of time and patience.